Greeting friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have witnessed a flat to gap up opening in our market. Since retailers were bullish, big players lifted our market to force exit the retailers, and then it has given a dip also to sweep the long SL as well. So let us take a quick look at the charts and evaluate what happened in our market today and what we have discussed yesterday. Also, let us also take a look at what are the possibilities for tomorrow as well. So, friends, before moving forward, as I mentioned, I have a private Telegram channel wherein I have a focus group of people. Today, if you can see here, the profit percentage in our group was 53%. The loss is 27 percentage. I also provide what are the key levels for long and short in our group in the morning before the market opening itself. I also provide time to time updates to people, okay, where market is moving in a sideways way, and when to go for short, when to go for long. If you see here, I've clearly mentioned that, okay, there is a short covering in our market possible above 24 960 70 range, and that exactly happened. I also given the timely message to people to book those profits on time. And at the end, I've also given, the people who are desperately looking for short, I asked them to short the market below 50 MA. So some of the people, they have reaped the benefit of that as well. So if you're interested to join in my private Telegram channel, you're all welcome. So the link is given in my description. So without further ado, so let's take a look at the charts. So what we have discussed yesterday. So we discussed the shorts is going to be below 850, but then market open around 24,990 range. Thereafter, since the retailers were bullish, the market simply went up. The 5 minute charts. So if you look here, so from 930, so the top it made today during the 950 time, it was around 933 or 935 reach. Thereafter, it went for sweeping the SL of all the people. Okay, so then and you can see that the rallies, it is a continuous rally. So market never came below the 20 exponential moving average. You can see the blue line here. So there is no pointing in shorting. So whenever the market is moving above 20 moving average, all the dips are buying opportunities. So finally, it reached the target of 2512. Thereafter, is a malprof booking started, and at the end, once again, the buyer's demand came from the support level that is around 24,920, and it closed around 980. That's average closing comes around 980. So for tomorrow, so just keep the level, yesterday's level, that's the top level. It is going to be intact. That is 25, 30, 20 is coming, but keep a buffer of 10 points. So if market Nifty moves above 2530, you can consider a long. And for shorting, we have two levels. First level is 24,960. That was the short covering level happen. So market already tested that one. So if it is going below 960, you can consider a short. One more level is that is 920. So once again, Nifty, if it is breaking below 24,920, then there is a possibility it can reach up to 24,850. So always keep strict SL for your longs and short. So in that way, you won't be losing your capitals. So also, yeah, let us also take a look at the OA chart for Nifty. So you can see here for 25,000 in Nifty, you can see what is the OA demand. Here, if I look here, 25,000 on the call side, I can see around 1.25 crore OA. That means a lot of call writing is happen. And on the put side, also you can see that 1.8 crore OI is there on the put side as well. So this is so there is a tough fight. It's happening for 25,000 level. So if it is breaking above, then consider a long. If it is breaking below, consider a short. That way. So either a long unwinding or a short covering should be triggered. And Look at the support below. So you can see there is a good support for 24,900, 1.19 crore. So then 24,800, 24,850, 24,950 also a good support is there. So the next major resistance is going to be, now I'm not saying much resistance, 25,100 and possibly 25,200. Those are the resistance. Now let us take a look at Bank Nifty levels. So Bank Nifty, it didn't cross yesterday's high, and but then what we discuss is that Bank Nifty a short can be considered below 55,650, but then it didn't sustain. So it during the morning itself it started moving up, and it has hit a today's high of 55,965 level. Okay, so it didn't reach 56,000, but it has also given a good up move. So at the end it is closed around 865. So tomorrow level, so we can say that the upside level, this is intact, 56 150 150 level. But then let us take one more level for long. So it is 56,000 roundly, I can say. So if Bank Nifty is crossing 56,000, then go for a long. And for short, so we can consider 750. Yeah, it's coming around, okay, it's coming 725. So if it is coming below 725, then consider a short. But then short targets at the bottom side is very low. If it is breaking 650 convincingly, then only we can see a longer or a larger downside target. Okay, now let us take a look at the mid cap Nifty also. Mid cap Nifty, what we discussed. Okay, so it has also followed this in the morning. It has given a good down move. From there, it took support from the 200 EMA. So this is coming around this 200 moving. Okay, yeah, it is 12,750. So from there, it is gone for a bull run. So it didn't come below 20 EMA. Once it tested the 50 EMA, but then once again it started moving up. So here you can mark 920 is the level for longs. So you can give a target up to 13,000. So on the downside, so mark this level 12,860. This is a level for shorting in mid cap. Like let us take a look at Sensex today. So Sensex expiry is completed, and we can say, okay, so what all levels we can look at Sensex. Sensex in a pretty straightforward. So go for long above 81,800. So it is showing 81,760, but go for 81,800, 81,800. Go for long, and short below 81,500. So yeah, that's all in the Sensex. But if you look at Sensex, this is a 15-minute chart, so it is moving above the 20 EMA mark. So always make sure that if market is moving above 20 EMA, avoid shorts. Okay, so yeah, so that's all in this video, guys. So yeah, please please subscribe my channel. Please join my Telegram channel. I used to provide a lot of updates, and I am also planning to create some more learning videos. So in the coming days, maybe for the weekend, you can see some learning videos as well. Thank you, guys.